3, 2, 1.
During which stage of an insect's life cycle does the female lay eggs? The answer is D, adult. Who won the Wimbledon Gentlemen's Singles Championship in 2017? The answer is A, Novak Djokovic. What has a mouth but cannot eat? The answer is C, flag. What is the word for a young cat? The answer is A, a kitten. What type of chair features a circular cushion seat and back? The answer is B, lounger. Which game features the character Pikachu? The answer is A, Pokemon Red. What are the two main minerals found in ocean water? The answer is B, sodium chloride. Starring Humphrey Bogart and Lauren Bacall, the 1944 film, To Have and Have Not, was loosely based upon what American author's novel? The answer is B, Ernest Hemingway. Which river runs through the city of Cologne, Germany? The answer is A, Rhine. What 2009 song was featured in the trailer and TV spots of the comedy movie The Ugly Truth? The answer is C, Right Round by Flo Rida. Which mountain's peak is the point with the lowest atmospheric pressure on Earth? The answer is A, Everest. Which planet has a great red spot, similar to Jupiter's storm? The answer is D, Neptune. What is a gene derived from? The answer is A, cotton. How old was James Dean when he died? The answer is A, 24. What is the name given to a hot, dry wind that blows from the Sahara across the Atlantic? The answer is A, Sirocco. Which of the following is a correct food chain? The answer is C, corn cow human. What percentage of the sun's energy does Earth receive as visible light? The answer is A, 4%. What does a pollinator pick up from its body and carry directly to another plant of the same species? The answer is D, pollen. What is used to make writing visible on a chalkboard? The answer is B, chalk. What does Professor Julius Kelp transform into in the 1963 comedy movie The Nutty Professor? The answer is C, a smooth womanizer. What can scientists learn about the past by studying sedimentary rocks? The answer is A, how a species changed over time. What is the term used for the maximum amount of a good that a consumer will buy at a given price? The answer is D, quantity demanded. What is the tiny male gametophyte enclosed in a tough capsule? The answer is B, pollen. What is the traditional Scottish women's dress called? The answer is C, blouse. Which everyday object's color changed with the mood of Marvin the Martian in Looney Tunes? The answer is A, telephone. What is the largest country in South America in terms of territory? The answer is C, Brazil. What is the term for the horizontal displacement of a projectile from its starting point? The answer is D, range. What famous American is quoted here? Keep away from people who try to belittle your ambitions. Small people always do that, but the really great make you feel that you, too, can become great. The answer is B, Mark Twain. Amphibians are ectothermic vertebrates that divide their time between fresh water and what else? The answer is B, terrestrial habitats. Which protein carries oxygen to cells? The answer is D, hemoglobin. What is the most visited website in the world? The answer is C, Facebook. Which of the following is best suited for network cable that must run close to electrical lines or fluorescent lighting? The answer is A, fiber optic cable. What is the name of the first star to be photographed? The answer is A, Vega. What type of plant is the dominant group of land plants? The answer is B, vascular plants. What is the full name of Charity, the leading character from the popular Broadway musical Sweet Charity? The answer is C, Charity Hope Valentine. Which empire built the Great Wall of China? The answer is C, Han Dynasty. Which European country has the most coastline? The answer is D, Russia. What have raccoons been mostly hunted for throughout history? The answer is A, their fur. How many miles per gallon did the 1908 Ford Model T get? The answer is B, 25-30. Who holds the record for the longest fingernails on a pair of hands ever? The answer is D, Lee Redmond. Who created the famous sculpture of David? The answer is C, Donatello. Tar sands are rocky materials mixed with what? The answer is C, very thick oil. What Oklahoma City saw a race riot that triggered a fire in 1921? The answer is B, Tulsa. Motor vehicles account for almost half of the consumption of what? The answer is C, fossil fuel. What does Johnny say to Baby's father right before the final dance scene of the movie Dirty Dancing? The answer is C, nobody puts Baby in a corner. The moon is changing its position in relation to the Earth. In what way? The answer is B, moving away. What are mutant versions of normal genes called? The answer is C, proto-oncogenes. Who is credited with the invention of the microscope? The answer is B, Nikola Tesla. Which novel features Jay Gatsby and Daisy Buchanan? The answer is A, The Great Gatsby. Approximately how long is 1 astronomical unit 1 AU?